I am looking at this and wow, does this bring back some memories. A really long time ago, I was at home on the weekend. Both my parents worked. I grew up in the Smoky Mountains of North Carolina. Often my mom on the weekend would be very busy, and she would let me go out and play. We had a very big yard, and I could find things to stay entertained with and love to be outdoors. She would call me in for a snack, and this is what we'd have. I'm going to be making for you today a very special treat. This would be an afternoon snack after being out playing. Now, what I have here is a good quality mayonnaise. You always want to use the best ingredients that you can get. I love a good mayonnaise, and this is Duke's. I'm not sponsored, but I grew up with Duke's, and it's absolutely what I love. You use what you grew up with. Now, I like to mayonnaise both sides. Don't get stingy on the mayonnaise. I do not want a dry sandwich. In fact, I can't think of really any sandwich that I would want served to me that would be dry. So, extra mayonnaise, both sides. Now, thank you, mayonnaise. Set that to the side. Now, here I have something that I absolutely love. Don't turn away because this is delicious. This is a pork and chicken based potted meat. This is a potted meat, and it's absolutely delicious. Let me just give this a taste test. I'm going to get a corn chip. This is part of it. You got to have corn chips with this, or a good potato chip. Let's give this a taste. The balance of flavors, the pork, the chicken, the salt, the spices, so good. And you can find a potted meat at your grocer. I really do love it. All right, but I don't have it that often. It's just on occasion that I have potted meat. Let's cut this sandwich. I'm gonna cut it the old-fashioned way, right down the middle. Now, I have here with me, this is some fermented jalapeno peppers. This is my little addition. We didn't have this growing up. And this is some fermented tomatoes. This was so good. I'm just gonna have another one on a chip. Look at that sandwich. A little bit of flavor. Lick the edge. Let's give it a taste test. That is so good. This just brings back childhood memories. My mom would call me. She would step out onto the big porch. She'd yell my name. She'd say, come on in for a snack. And this is what we'd have. I loved that time in my life. My mother was so thrilled that I would come in, grab a snack, go back out and play. And this was one of my absolute favorite snacks. This is a potted meat sandwich with Duke's mayonnaise on a potato bread. Don't miss out. Grab you some chips and have this. Give it a try. I know you're gonna love it. I'm Ransom Ryder. The journey inside the kitchen, so much better when you share it with friends. Come hang out with me. Share your favorite sandwich recipe with me. I'd love to hear from you. I'm gonna have another bite. Now, I've got plenty of bread, plenty of potted meat. I'm gonna make you one. I'll see you very soon. Bye, bye. I'm gonna finish this.